For this video, I am going to use this model of a GoPro, and let's say that you want to add a video in one of your shots. Then, I press Ctrl and Shift on my keyboard to open this glass material and click on Pickable to disable this mesh. By doing this, you can pick through any object. Just keep in mind that you might need to enable this option later. Now, we can click on the screen and open the material. Previously, I downloaded a video, so I just drag and drop it into my scene, and after loading, you will see a couple of options, such as play, pause, stop, and more options, like loop, mute, and autoplay. Next time, I can dive further into these details, but for this introduction, I will just show how to connect the texture into the material and click on play. Connect the texture also in emissive and further tweak the rest of the values like intensity, roughness, metallic, etc. until I reach the result that I want. That is all for this video. Till next time.